We don't know his name, but he sure loves his binoculars. As you'll see, they're in a lot of our photos too. food from the street vendor.
It's good.
It's really good. So I didn't want to type it out. So this guy, was he Indian or I don't know what his heritage was, but sweetest guy ever. He gives us our food. He gave him a little tip. And then he's seen us looking kind of for a place to sit on the street or somewhere to eat it. So he asked, it took a couple times to understand what he was saying, but he's like, oh, around the corner, go down, there's a theater. Don't go through the first door, go through the next door and say, was his Lanny? Was his name Lanny? Gwenny. Oh, tell Gwenny I sent you. They'll let you sit in the theater. And so we're like, oh, okay, we weren't quite sure. So we started walking down here and thought, well, we'll just find somewhere else. And then he comes running up the street. He left his food truck unattended, run up the block, opened the door for us and told Gwenny, hey, these two, you take care of them. They brought us in here, told us to go upstairs to the lounge, free Wi-Fi, and just stay as long as you'd like. So here's where we're sitting. In a lounge, piano bar. They're the nicest people.
Super nice.
We want to go back and give them a bigger tip. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
So long.
Is Vince a really fast driver here, or do you think we sped up this video? Yeah, we sped up the video.
And here we are, another joke of the week. So this man is sitting in a bar, and there's three very large women at a table next to him, speaking with an accent. And so he goes over to them. Your accent is very interesting. Are you three ladies from Scotland? Well, one of them stood up immediately and yelled at him, "It's Wales!" He said, "Oh, I'm very sorry. Are you three whales from Scotland?" He doesn't remember much after that.